Alright guys, yo, back with another video from Beginner's Luck Fishing. So we rigged up the catfish rods and we're gonna go catch some more big catfish in that little pond.
Okay guys, we're here at ShopRite to pick up some secret ingredients and we'll show you them in a bit.
Alright, so you basically just wanna cut it in like little chunks.
Guys, these are chicken tenders. Just ordinary chicken tenders.
You mean thighs?
Chicken thighs, chicken thighs. These are chicken thighs.
Oh my god, I can't cut it up.
What we're doing, we're cutting them into little pieces. And over here, we got a little container with garlic and Kool-Aid. So we mix those all together, put chicken into them, shake it up, toss it out there, and hopefully we'll catch ourselves a few catfish.
First cast going out. The red chicken, nuclear chicken. What kind of cast was that, bro? I'm joking.
Fortunately, not too many bites, but we did switch spots and rigged up, got right back into the water, so the action is still on. Look who caught a tree fish. Guys, I don't know if you could see it, but he got snagged on the tree. He's trying to get it loose. It's not gonna come off, guys. That's snagged for good.
I'm not even gonna try, bro. I'm just gonna cut it.
I got my line out there. He got his line up there. Yeah. See, this is the importance of changing spots. We're getting no bites here, we're getting no bites there. We switch our spot, and now, look at this monster cat. It's such a small body of water. Yeah, don't let him escape.
I think it's another one of those 24 inches.
Yeah, guys, actually, there's nowhere to put my rod here, so I was holding it in my hand, and I felt him bite and run, and that's one of the best feelings, guys. You really have to try it out for yourself to feel this.
So we ended up hooking another one.
Oh, shoot.
Is he big?
No, it's a small one.
But let me reel it in. Let me reel it in.
Bring it in from this side. Bring it in. Well, record, bro.
I am. Hold it.
Oh, he's getting feisty. Oh my god. Guys, so this is the second one. Oh, that's good eating size, it looks like. Yeah, just bring him up. That's good.
I'm not gonna both with him, but I learned my lesson for that. Never mind. Fish, cool.
Yesterday he lost, not yesterday, but last video he lost the fish. He tried to boat flip it, he lost it. And
oh, what a beautiful little fella.
Too small, I think. Yeah, we'll get a release on this guy. Only safe release is out here.
But what are you doing, bro? Fish on, another one, bro. See, is that a nice cat? What is that fish?
I think it's a small one.
Yeah, I think it's another small one. I cannot see the fish, bro. Oh yeah, that's a fish. Yeah. There we go. You got one. Don't do that, bro. You're gonna like snap your rod.
Is it bass?
No.
Catfish. It's a cat.
Catfish. It's a catfish. Send it back.
Yeah. Alright, this one's like barely hooked, so we can... Alright.
We'll get safe release on this guy as well.
Yeah.
That small catfish we were gonna release actually bit.
Hurts.
He got bit by a catfish. Fortunately, no more bites, but we're heading back right now to cook up what we caught. We skipped the boring parts, so here we got some oil getting heated up. So the secret recipe: some slap your mama seasoning, some flour, put all in a Ziploc bag, dip your fillet in some eggs, shake it up, and dip it on in. As you can see, it's looking a bit like fried chicken, but hopefully it'll get a better taste than last time. This finished product, this is looking
Fire.
a lot better than yesterday's. So taste will be coming as soon as this cools down.
Alright, guys. So here's the chicken. Bro, it looks like chicken. Here's the fish, and we're about to give it a taste test.
So
Oh my god.
guys, this is actually crispy, guys.
This is the best fish I've ever tasted.
It's perfectly crispy. You could taste the seasons. Guys, yesterday we were lacking, but this time, as you can see, slap your mama is where it's at.
Alright guys, we'll see you in the next video, so stay tuned. And yeah,
Subscribe.
yeah.